Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today we are going to talk about the big and fat, shiny purple elephant hanging off the ceiling in every conversation about AI. Will this AI replace me? We see the headlines, the demos, code writing itself, art generating in seconds. The fear is visceral, no doubt. Hmm. But what if I offered you a different perspective? A perspective not of replacement, but of degrees of freedom. We have to once and for all come to terms with the fact that AI capabilities will keep getting better and better. The truth is, we don't need to replicate the human mind just to follow instructions, do we? Take software development as the prime example. For decades, we measured a developer's worth by their syntax, by their ability to memorize libraries, recite ideas from the internet, and write bug-free code from scratch. Today, along with the right guidance, AI can do that faster than any human can. Now, does this mean the developer is obsolete? Maybe. Maybe it is just turning it into a human skill, like writing a document. And when writing documents, having a contextual spell checker allows us to offload technicalities to the machine. We are kind of facing a spell check moment for programming. But unlike a dictionary, AI guesses. The trick is navigating that non-determinism to free up time for real problems. Not the syntax, not the Kool-Aid anymore, but the holistic solution instead. It is no longer a matter of time or knowledge, but of personal choice. Having said all this, let's step back and not forget, this isn't just about code, this is about expertise becoming commodity. It's happening in biology, it's happening in middle management. Tasks with complex workflow and edge cases that we thought required human intuition are simply dissolving into software. So what happens when the job role itself becomes a commodity? Do we really need half of the jobs anyways? The repetitive ones, the mechanical ones, the industrial ones, the boring ones. When was the last time you heard someone say they were truly happy with their career? We are sleepwalking through the industrial illusion, the contract that if you just followed the rules, kept your head down, and did your job, would keep you safe. Think about the people who studied for years, those who dedicated their lives to helping others, doctors, nurses, teachers, only to find themselves following protocols, processing humans like widgets on a conveyor belt. And after all that, they are also left asking the same question. Will this AI replace me? Evolution gave us the power to adapt, not to follow a script. We have unlimited information, and we are gaining more and more agency. We must go back to first principles, the need to focus on what actually matters to each and every one of us. So let's go back to that fear, the fear of replacement. The harsh truth is this. AI will not replace you, but a person using AI might have advantages over a person who doesn't. Why? Because the old jobs are just going to become a statistic, a process, a pipeline, pure automation. But you have hidden capabilities that evolution spent millions of years perfecting. Don't be the statistic their system has already predicted. Become the anomaly they can't ignore. Thank you.